Hello everyone, now we are going to start class 4 maths, that is the words problem based on addition. So there are some rules that is based on what problems of addition, that are so many steps are there that we need to follow. First one, take some time to read the question clearly. So you need to read it and understand what is it. Next one, get the main idea of the problem and note down the information provided. Main idea, what is told in the question, that you need to understand. Decide what has to be done, then understand and keep understanding yourself that what you need to do. Solve the problem by showing the working, and solve the problem by showing each and every steps clearly. Check your work whether the solution you obtained is correct or not. Then check your work that what you have done, it is you have done it correctly or not, that you need to check then. Okay, so these points we have cleared, these points we have already cleared. Now we are going for the example that is given over here. Okay, so what is the example? Mr. Gupta bought a house for rupees 9,45,620, a car for rupees 2,18,300, a television for rupees 23,840, and a washing machine for rupees 8,240. What amount did Mr. Gupta spend altogether? So now we can see the different amounts. So now we need to find out that how much money did he spend altogether. So finding out altogether, what we need to do, we need to do the addition. So what we need to do, we just need to write these things like this way, that amount spent on house, amount spent on car, amount spent on TV, and amount spent on washing machine. Then we need to add these numbers. Okay, after adding this one we will get our answer, and then we will write our answer like this. What we will write? We will write Mr. Gupta spent rupees. We will write Mr. Gupta spent rupees. We will write Mr. Gupta spent rupees 11,96,000 altogether. So that means after doing our addition we will get, after doing our addition, what we will get? 11,96,000 altogether. So this will be our answer. Now we just need to write our answer, that is Mr. Gupta spent rupees this much altogether. Okay, so this is very easy. You all need to try this one, and thank you everyone for attending this one. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.